the Republic of Korea Navy has received an upgraded destroyer, KDX-I, the Eulji Mundeok DDG-972. According to an announcement by South Korea's Defense Procurement Agency, DAPA, on December 28th, the last 3 KDX-I destroyers that underwent the first ever locally managed capability upgrade was handed over to the Republic of Korea Navy. A greater share of indigenous technologies now featured on the ships will ensure reduced maintenance times and cost in their third decade of service. ROKS Eulji Mundeok DDG-72 is the second ship of the Gwangaetto the Great-class in the Republic of Korea Navy. She is named after Eulji Mundeok. The Gwangaetto the Great-class destroyer upgrade program included the installation of a new towed array sonar system for improved anti-submarine capabilities. A new locally developed combat system was also installed and will provide more capabilities compared to the ones previously employed by the destroyers. The Gwangaetto the Great-class, or KDX-I, was designed to replace the old destroyers in the Republic of Korea Navy that were transferred from the US Navy in the 1950s and 1960s. ROKS Eulji Mundeok was launched on October 16, 1997 by Daegu Shipbuilding and commissioned on August 30, 1999. Mundeok has a full displacement of about 3,900 tons, a length of 135.5 meters, and a beam of 14.2 meters. She has a crew of 286 sailors, and the air arm includes a pair of Westland Superlynx navalized helicopters, launched and retrieved from a stern helipad. A full service hangar provides a sea repair and maintenance facilities. The Gwangaetto the Great-class also carries a close-in anti-submarine weapon in the form of the Mark 46 torpedoes, launched from cheaper torpedo tubes in larger compartments. A secondary anti-ship role is supported by the RGM-84 harpoon surface-to-surface missile, mounted in 2 quadruple launch tubes at the main deck level between the funnel and the helicopter hangar. For anti-aircraft self-defense, the Gwangaetto the Great-class carries 16 Rim 7PC Sparrow. The Gwangaetto the Great-class also carries 2 30mm goalkeeper to provide a shipboard point defense against incoming anti-ship missiles and aircraft. The main gun on the forecaster is an Automalura 127mm gun. According to the State Arms Procurement Agency, the ship's upgrade focuses on improving the destroyer's anti-submarine and other capabilities. This could ensure Mundeok and her sisters are qualified to serve for another decade.